Hi, good day. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make Canadian favorite fast food item, poutine. All you need is off-the-shelf poutine powder and some potato. Let's get started. Now, using a peeler, completely take the skin off the potato. And once that is done, cut the potato in shape of long fries. Now preheat a gravy utensil and pour 2 cups of water and let it boil for a couple of minutes. Now empty the pack of poutine powder into the boiling water and stir it well till it comes to gravy and simmer it for nearly 5 minutes. And you should be getting nice looking poutine gravy. Now in a pan of oil well heated, drop your raw cut potato and let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes and wait till it comes to light brown in color, which is a sign it is well cooked. Now in an empty bowl, let's stack cheese slice and potato in a stack order. First, let's put one cheese slice, then drop some potatoes and top it with a cheese slice and again some potatoes and top it again with some cheese slice and again with some potatoes. Now pour the hot poutine gravy into your bowl of cheese and potato and your poutine is ready to eat in a minute. Wait till the cheese melts, it'll taste better, and that is your awesome Canadian poutine that is ready to eat. Homemade poutine, just in 5 minutes. All you need is potato, some off-the-shelf poutine powder, pan of oil and some nice cheese. It tastes good. It is a Canadian favorite dish, poutine. Thanks for watching this video. Happy Canada Day. Adios. Bye.